That's actually wild. And I'm cold as fuck. Yo, my chrome hearts is in there. No. Oh, shit. It just blew up. Oh. What the fuck? Yo. Back up. What the fuck is this? Dude, my fucking chrome hearts is in there.
Vem conduzindo muito bem. O Macan GTS na Stuttgart Porsche.
Eu não falei.
Oh my god! No! Yo, get your kid, man. Come on, have some respect. That's a $500,000 car. Seriously, get your kid, man. That's crazy. That's.
This is sad when you have two Rolls-Royce flooded in the middle of Dubai.
Into the sheep. Oh my god.
Have a look. With a lot of the other attacking players have put
Watch out, accident reported ahead.
Hopefully we can get a good
Airbag's gone off. Oh look, that firefighter. Oh look at that.
Oh my god.
Car park there, sir!
Jeez Louise.
Gaci. Lanciare anche. Bella sera.
ومادي ها هي شوها الاخوان، وباقي واحده اخرى حتى هي مقيوسه واحد شويه ماشي حتى بزاف. ها هي الاخوان حتى هي، شوفوا معايا هنا، ها هي في الجنب ديال الطريق. المهم داك مول الكاميو واقيلا سخاف.
Abi bir de no passenger. Yo, grab the garbage! Do a pull! Oh! Shit!
Afortunadamente,
Your phone while driving.
They had a call.
But you had a curva, porco Dio.
miren lo que ha pasado.
I'm sorry, but fucking God. You were on the phone, looking on the phone, driving up the stairs, and you completely got in our
¿Qué tal el jaguar?
line on the road.
La señora venía en el teléfono.
Porca Madonna.
Ella venía hablando por teléfono y miren lo que ha pasado ahora en este jaguar.
You dozy piece of fucking shit! And you! I'll fucking bust your head, wanker! Fuck you! Right, come here, quick! Fuck you!
Yes, it is him.
I am stupid. I am stupid.
Yeah, and it is
I
him.
switch off everything.
It is him. I just got him hitting the guy's car. I'm so weak. Nah, I'm going down there. Man hit the car.
eventjes een Porsche besteld. Geleverd door DHL even. What the fuck? Oh shit! Yo!
Will a Porsche Turbo S turn on after being sent down a cliff? Oh, wow.
Yeah.